Wow! Saan ka pa? Augmented reality na postcard. Ang saya. Diba may fish? That's my favorite, yung Japanese na may fish. This one, diba? Letting it go. Yes. Kasi ewan ko ba, bakit ka-attracted something na sunrise, nag-iisip, with greeneries. Ito naman ng bata ako, super. And with the Japanese, nice. Thanks for the opportunity to purchase the artworks. Wonderful.